to our lesson today. I'll be teaching grade 1 parts of the keyboard, and other parts of the keyboard I'll be dealing with 5 parts of the keyboard. Number 1, we have alphanumeric keys. Alphanumeric keys are the letters and the numbers in our keyboard. Then number 2, we have the caps lock key. Caps lock key helps us to type in capital letters or in small letters. When you press the caps lock, there's a light that will be on, and when it is on in our keyboard, it means that you type in capital letters. And when you press the caps lock again and that light goes off, it means that you type in small letters. We have the spacebar key. It's the longest key in our keyboard. It is used to put a space in between our words. After that, we have a backspace key. Backspace key is used to rub or to delete when you've made a mistake while typing. Then after that, we have the enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor from one line to another. When you've done with your sentence and you want to start a new sentence, you press enter, it moves to a new line. We'll continue with the other parts of the keyboard in the next lesson. I want to do practically those parts of the keyboard. Number 1, I'll open a Microsoft Word document. We have the start button here in our screen, and the same start button, we have it in our keyboard. Remember, we are teaching grade 1s and they are not used in mouse, so I highly recommend you use the keyboard. So you click the start button in your keyboard, then you type word, W-O-R-D, then you press the enter key. After that, a Microsoft Word document will launch. Now I want to type in capital letters. I'll type a small sentence, that is, my name is Teacher Millicent. So when I'm starting a sentence, I'm supposed to start in capital letters. So I'll switch on my caps lock. I'll press on my caps lock, then I type M, then I press my caps lock again to switch it off, then my. Now I want to have a space between my and name. So I'll press the space bar, then I type name, then I press the space bar. Is, you'll notice that I've made a mistake. Well, type is, supposed to type is, but I've typed OD. So what I'll do, I'll rub, and for me to rub, I'll use the backspace key in my keyboard. So I'll press my backspace, I press my backspace, so I can collect it. Is, now I want to type in your name. You're typing your name, you're supposed to start in capital letters, so I'll switch on my caps lock, T, then I switch off the caps lock, I've made a mistake again, so I'll click the backspace to rub, teacher, then I'll put a space, I'll click the longest key in our keyboard, that is the space bar, then Millicent, I'll start my name, so I switch to letters, so I switch on the caps lock again, capital M, I switch off my caps lock, we have Millicent. After I'm done, now I want to start a new sentence. I am in grade 1. So what I'll do, I'll press the enter key. I switch on my caps lock. I switch off the caps lock. Click the space button. Space in space grade. I want to start grade in capital letters, so I'll switch on my caps lock, capital G. Then we have grade. I click the space button, caps lock 1, then full stop. I want to move to a new line, so I'll press enter. Then maybe I want to say my school is called, my teacher is called, and such and such. You can, at grade 1, you can type maybe like 5 sentences, and it will be good, and you'll have mastered the 5 parts of the keyboard. That is the caps lock, we have the alphanumeric keys, we have the backspace key and enter key, and the spacebar key. Thank you for watching.